explain construction of optical current transformer. So you can visualize this, the basic construction of optical current transformer. It is just difference in operation. Only the operation is based on optical technology. Rest, the current transformer steps down the high value of the current to the lower value or say measurable value to the relay as well as for the controlling application purposes. So it is stepping down the value of the current. Now the construction of the optical current transformer is physically realized through three main integrated subsystems. First is the grounded electronic components, second is the insulator column, and third is the high voltage sensing head. So all these three compartments or say three different subsystems together forms the optical current transformer. Now first of all, at the base level, a grounded electronics module houses the active hardware structure, including the superluminescent diode or laser light source, because we have to work on the functions of optical modules. So optical means the light source is needed. Second is the optical couplers, and photodetectors are needed for signal conversion. All this contained within a metal chassis or this portion here in the bottom part. All these are connected here with this. The unit is connected to the high voltage side via hollow composite insulation column. This typically made up of fiberglass reinforced plastic with silicon rubber sheets. This column provides the structural support and houses the uplink optical fiber cable, which serves as the primary dielectric insulation to separate the high voltage from the ground. At the top of the column sits the passive sensing head here. This is the sensing head. You can visualize this now. So this is the upper portion, optical fiber cable is here. This is the secondary winding and this is the primary conductor from which the high voltage current is passing. Now the head consists of a non-magnetic housing that encases the optical components, especially an input polarizer, a quarter wave plate, and the primary sensing element, either a coil or a spun optical fiber or a block of magneto-optical glass, along with a terminal mirror or say reflector to redirect the light reflected back down to the fiber to the ground unit. It uses the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction to produce a voltage proportional to the current in a conductor. The OCT, that is optical current transformer, is a susceptible instrument and can be used to measure the currents as low as the few microamperes. It is often used in high voltage applications where the currents to be measured are too large for conventional emitters. So this is the constructional detail of optical current transformer.